I got a 1986 Jeep Wrangler CJ7 in which we did some audio work to it. We added an Alpine head unit in the custom center console to keep it out of the element. We also added 6.5 coaxial speakers in the rear and also in the front pod from Wetsounds. We added 2 Rockford-Fosgate slim subwoofers and 2 custom sub enclosures in the rear, and powered it up with a Rockford-Fosgate Power Marine amplifier to give it a phenomenal sound at high-end car stereo performance.